Hello friends, I am Deepthi, a parenting coach, counselor and child wellness expert. Let's talk about parent coaching a bit today. What is parent coaching? I get a lot of calls from parents asking what is parent coaching, Deepthi? Can it really help us as parents? Can it even relate to the difficulties we are facing as parents to our children? Because our child is different. And let me tell you, this is truth. Every child is different. Every child is unique. They have unique personality, they have unique identity, they have unique talents, unique attitude, and unique behaviors. So let me brief you a little bit about parent coaching and what is included in it. Parent coaching is an approach to support parents in problem solving and finding solutions to the difficulties that may be bubbling up in their families. The difficulties may range from the small behavioral issues like whining and compulsive lying to the major concerns like social disconnect, hyperactivity and depression in the kids. It helps in managing behaviors of your children as per their personality and attitude. It also talks about how to navigate while speaking with your children in their style so that information can be retained better in their brains. Parent coaching is not only for smaller children. It is very helpful for the teens as well. It helps you build that trust and make your bond stronger with your teen. It helps you to be a friend as well as a parent to your teen. It also entails how to talk about how to bring in the difficult topics with your children. For example, if you are planning to adopt or conceive another child, then how to bring that up with your existing child. Another example can be if you are getting separated as a couple, then how to prepare your child to not be ashamed and embarrassed about this situation in public or otherwise. Also, how to talk about sex education and its safety measures with your children. So all these challenges and the challenges which are needed for special needs children are part of the parent coaching. It helps because it is solution oriented and the experts are there to guide you for the process all the way till the end. Disha Deepan is providing parent coaching and child wellness counseling since past 5 years. We have helped thousands of parents by doing so. Coaching is available online as well as in person as per your comfort. It helps and hence I would urge you all to reach out for any of your parenting challenges on the given number or email ID. You can reach out to us on our website www.dishadeepan.com as well. Thank you.